Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and this is our Macc new 350S 14-inch cold saw. Today we're going to be going through all the saw's features and specifications, and also doing some cuts to help you decide if this is the right cold saw for you. The new 350S is a 14-inch semi-automatic cold saw with a 4.25-inch round tube capacity. The saw features a double hinge pin with an eccentric bushing, and this is going to keep flex down in the hinge and maintain straight and accurate cuts. The saw head has an oil bath reduction unit and is easy to fill and drain for the oil in the head, as well as a sight glass to keep up with maintenance. Front side controls keeps the operator in a safe position while operating the machine. The controls from left to right are head descent speed, reset, start, coolant control, Y-axis up and down controls, E-stop, blade speed, and the main power switch. The pedal has an E-stop on top and then a foot-controlled switch for making the cuts. The saw can do up to 45-degree angles left and right. Dual quick locking vise with a sliding counter-vise for longitudinal cuts with a maximum vise opening of 4.7 inches. Blade cooling with an adjustable coolant ports helps extend the blade's life and quality of cuts. It features a bar stop for repeatable cuts of the same size. Once all the parameters are set, just hit the start button and let the saw do the rest. This saw can speed up production times by not having to guide the head down yourself, freeing up valuable shop time. The benefits of a cold saw is there is minimal blade flex. This is going to ensure you have accurate and straight cuts every time. Thank you guys so much for checking out this Macc new 350S 14-inch cold saw. If you want to know more about this saw, you can find the links in our video's description and all of our other equipment that we have to offer. Make sure to follow us on social media to stay up to date with new products, as well as seeing some customer builds. And we thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and keep on fabricating.